Hi everyone, this is Mansi, and today I'll talk about how to be productive. And this video is specifically for the people who are doing any job and obviously for students. So let's start. First, in order to be productive, you need to get away from social medias. Now, let me first start with the concept. There is a concept known as dopamine spike. Now, what do I mean by dopamine spike? Let me give you an example. Let's suppose after waking anytime in morning or early in morning, the first thing you do is start scrolling reels on Insta or shorts on YouTube, or texting anybody or anything related to social media or internet. And let's suppose you are scrolling reels. Now, reels is something that amuses you. You like scrolling reels and say like seeing very relatable or funny content or anything that you watch on Insta. Now, that is something you actually like to do, like somehow. And you know that there is this hormone in our body known as dopamine. And dopamine is sort of a happy hormone which makes you feel elated, elevated, or happy when its level rises in the body. Now, when you scroll on the Insta, that is something you actually like to do compared to all your tedious work or study, right? After watching reels for a few minutes, your dopamine level gets high. And after that, if you start doing any important work or anything that requires concentration, like your job work or specifically studies, you won't be able to do it properly with full concentration and devotion. Why? Because somehow studies are not as amusing as scrolling reels on Insta or using internet. Now your dopamine level was here, and while doing anything that you don't like, or even if you like, it is not really amusing compared to this. But like while studying, your dopamine level will be there. I'm taking an example, okay? And when you were scrolling the Insta, your dopamine level was here. Now imagine your dopamine level getting from here to here. That's a good thing, happy hormone. But from here to here, your brain will refuse to do that boring work. You won't be able to concentrate properly because just a few seconds ago you did something that actually spiked your dopamine. So my recommendation is, whenever you have to start doing something, specifically in early mornings, uh, don't use social media. Don't use social media or chat or anything that actually is a distraction to you. First complete your main or tedious work, then you have rest of the time to do that stuff. Coming to the second point, in order to be productive, you always need to start from the most tedious or hard work. you know any work that you think is gonna be more hard compared to other things. Like suppose you are studying a subject early in the morning when your brain is wide awake and you have just woke up and you feel very fresh. You should always start doing something very hard which actually requires very high concentration, energy, or mind. Always start with those work. Now, why am I telling you this? Because first of all, in early mornings, if your routine was right, you actually feel very fresh and all. So you will actually give your full concentration. Second thing is, if you start with the easy work, you always have this thing at the back of your mind that I still have to do that, very boring, tedious, or hard work, or that that is going to require lots of my energy. You are going to have that at the back of your mind, and you are going to stress out, and you won't be able to do the easy work you started with, as well as the work you found tedious, and therefore you will procrastinate. Third thing would be plan everything beforehand. Like, if you want your certain day to be productive, plan the day the previous night, like before going to sleep or when you are about to sleep. Think, just think what you have to do the next day. Have it all planned out, you know, make up your mind according to that. Because if your mind is sort of, planned in that direction, you will actually start reacting the same way the next day, like somehow. Actually your mind is sort of a thing that, you know, can't really react very impulsively. It actually needs a certain planning in order to work efficiently. And that way you will have a very clear idea that what all the things that I need to do, and you will prepare yourself according to that, and you will wake up the next day with the same mindset. And that's a very important thing, because you can actually plan out the stuff in your mind, or you can just jot it down, or keep it on a table, or paste it somewhere, that what are the important things that you need to do. So I guess that's it for this video. I hope you liked the points I mentioned, and they are gonna help you some way. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.